Hello guys, this is Mr. Money Kale TV. Today I'm going to show you a way on how to make free income online while playing games. So you want to make money, you want to win TV, you want to win car, you want to win your favorite thing. So this is the application you can use. FIESTA. FIESTA pays you to play game. You can win cash, you can win some things that you wish. So all you just do is to keep on playing game until you get to the winning amount. You will get your prize you will get it be delivered into your house, so into your address or your house where you live. So they will deliver it to you direct. So all you just do is to head over Price Fiesta. Download it on Google Play Store. Just write Price Fiesta. As you can see here, this is Price Fiesta. As you can see, this is Price Fiesta. As you can see, I'm scrolling it around. This is it. All you just do with this application is to install it. Once you install it, you come to the application, hit on it, it will open like this. And because of my internet connection, it will be a little bit slow. So this application pays you to to play game. All you just do is to play and win. You see what they play and win real life prize. So when you win any prize you win, they will pay you by camera, PS, anything, computer, anything of your choice. What you know your price is up to, you can take it and hit it and confirm it and put your address. They will deliver it to you direct to your house before maybe 10 days. I don't know how many days delivering, but they will pay you. I just found the application. I know it will help you guys a lot. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel again. I'm hooking it at the middle. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel again. So let's check how this application works. So it will load now. Yeah, this is the application and this is how it will look. So let me take my daily bonus because I have not logged in. So I just take my daily bonus because yesterday I'm supposed to take it, but I was busy. So now the game is loading. So this is the game level. As you can see, I have about the price I'm going to win to collect now is $15. So all you just do is to turn everything into this red purple color. I think it's purple, maybe I'm wrong. So all you do in this game, you have to make sure turn everything to red. You have to turn everything about it to red so that you will win something. Well, I just want to use this opportunity to play this game and see what will really happen on this game. We see. As you can see, the game will finish very soon. You just want to win and stop there. And use this opportunity to show you guys how it works. And you don't need to work hard about it. It's totally easy to play. There's remaining 2 to win the game. Let me go here first. I'll hook it. It's going to be hard here. Let me see. Maybe I will win. I think I will win here. Yeah. Winning is coming. Let's see. almost done. Let's see. I win. So that is it. That is how to play the game. As you can see, that is it. That is how it works. So let me go back. I will go back. I will not play this. I will not play this place. So as you can see, I have $58. So once it's up to a price that I can win, I will make a choice. This is the people that are winning. As you can see, they have paid out about one point something million that they have paid out to people. So this is the place. If you win anything, here is where you can claim the prize. You can find your prize. So some gift you are worthy to get. So this is where you can get it. That is my daily. Yeah. That is what you will get. And here is the things. Here is the materials you can win. As you can see, to see the price covered, so you need about $750 in your big bank coin. So for you to win, you need this price. Once you see my price now is $56. So I need to get to this price to win something. As you can see, there is car, there is iPhone, there is games, PS, there is a TV, there is a lot of things. There is iPhone, Samsung, camera, a lot of things. There's iPhone, there's computer, there's a lot of things you need to win. So this is it, guys. I know this will help a lot of you guys. So if this really help you out, don't forget to help my YouTube channel out too. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget, if you win anything from this application, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment if this really help you out. If you find it useful, leave a comment too. If you find it useful, subscribe, leave a comment, subscribe, leave a comment, subscribe. Tell your friend about this. Tell them to come and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that I'm giving a useful word and I'm not giving anything that is fake. I'm always giving something that really pays. If you are ready to work, you can work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard. So this is work hard application. So don't forget to subscribe again to my YouTube channel. Peace out, guys. See you on my other video on how to make money online. You are the best, guys. See you on top.